This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to dig ginseng root. First, locate mature ginseng plants, which typically have 3 to 5 prongs and distinctive red berries. The ideal time for digging is in late fall, after the plant's leaves have fallen, ensuring the root has stored maximum energy. Use a small, handheld digging tool to gently loosen the soil around the plant, preparing for careful extraction. When digging, start at least 6 to 8 inches away from the main stem to prevent any damage to the valuable root. You'll need to dig quite deep, typically 8 to 12 inches, to ensure you capture the entire taproot without breaking it. Once the soil is sufficiently loosened, carefully lift the entire root system from the ground, trying to keep as much soil around it as possible. After digging, gently remove any excess soil from the root. You can do this by lightly brushing it or by rinsing it with cool, clean water. It's crucial to avoid scrubbing the root vigorously, as its delicate skin can be easily damaged, reducing its value. Once cleaned, air dry the roots in a well-ventilated space for several weeks until they are completely dry. To promote sustainable harvesting, always plant the red berries from the ginseng plant in nearby soil. This helps ensure new plants will grow for future generations. Remember to only harvest mature plants, leaving younger ones undisturbed so they can continue to develop. For a fantastic way to enjoy your favorite books anywhere, check out the new Kindle Paperwhite link in the description, along with other great deals we've found for you.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.